Hey there, it's Dawn from Stress Free Tax Season. I am doing a challenge in one of my Facebook groups. The group is called Bossy Girls Social Club. It's not my group, it's a group that I'm part of. And we are just getting comfortable on camera and sharing some facts with the people that are our target audience, which would be you. So I just wanted to let you know that part of what I do in my business is bookkeeping on a monthly basis for other business owners so that they don't have to worry about that part of their business. It gets done. When they need reports, they have their information. The other thing that I do is training for those who can't afford a bookkeeper, who don't want a bookkeeper, they just want to do it themselves so that they can do it on their own. So those are the two things that I do in the course of my business so that you can survive and know where your money's going, what you're doing in yours. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a question that I had come up from a client about a month or so ago. Elizabeth said that she puts all of her deposits into the business savings account and then just moves money from the savings to her checking account to pay the bills. And that she had someone that was supposed to be helping her with her books that put every deposit from both accounts as income. And rightly so, Elizabeth said, it looked like I doubled my income. Well, that's true. That is not the way you're supposed to do it. So just to understand a little bit more, she was recording deposits into the savings account as income, and then also recording deposits, even though the money was just money moving from savings to checking, as deposits. So that's not correct. The money that you own is your equity in the business. So the income that comes in, so the money she's putting into her savings account, is just being transferred over to another account. I mean, we do this all the time at the bank. So you understand kind of the general concept of that. I don't know why their bookkeeper didn't understand this, but really you're just moving the equity over. And so as far as your accounting program's concerned, as far as the IRS is concerned, you're just moving the money from one hand to the other, basically, and you're not actually taking more income in. So if you're having that kind of problem, if you're having someone that's telling you that you need to record both of those things as income, that is absolutely not true. I just wanted to make sure that you know that. You would use a transfer function inside of your accounting software that just literally transfers one equity account to the next equity account. And it's really a wash. It doesn't hit any of your income or your expense accounts. The other thing I did want to mention, because it's sort of related to that, is income versus money you as a business owner are just putting into the account. So that also is not income to the business. So if you were to say put $1,000 of your own money into the bank account, that is also money you own. So it's an equity account. It actually goes into, depending on how your business is structured, but it goes into you investing money into the account. So make sure you're not making that mistake. You don't want to show more income than you have. You may be wondering why it matters and how it affects you. I did have a client who was in a custody. Well, it was really custody battle. It was more of the money aspect of it. One of the parties wanted to be paid more money. And so they were in a situation where they had put a good deal of money into the company in addition to the income that the company had earned. And so my job when I went in front of the court for that, to help them out with that procedure, it was to show them that, okay, we are recording all of the sales the right way. We're using this system, and this is where the sales information is coming from. That's going into the account. And these other deposits are actually them having to put money into the business because the business wasn't doing as well. Meanwhile, the other party was trying to say that their business was doing really well because they had all these deposits. So that's just one example, a real life example of how putting the money in the wrong account can affect you. So you just want to make sure, if it's not something that you're doing for somebody else that you're making an income off of, it's not your income account, there's another way to handle it. So If you have any questions, you can always jump over into Business Owners Bookkeeping Bootcamp. That's our group on Facebook, so that we can help each other grow and really quickly and fast solve those questions so that you can get back to running your business. So when you're ready to take your books from to do to done, please pop in and let us know.